Andy, say, Harry.
Say num.
Num. Are you eating candy? Harry, show me your candy.
Chocolate. No, it's not candy. It's
Say num.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. What's this?
What are those?
What's this?
I know what side of the family he gets that
Three
from.
Musketeers. What are these? What are those? M&M's.
Can you say happy Halloween? Say happy. Say Dora. Harry. Say boots.
I love you.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Harry. Say I.
Harry, can you smile?
Are you done with it?
Harry, can you smile for us? No more.
We won't open up anymore.
Tomorrow we'll have one.
But you can take them out and show them to me. Here, Papa. No, see that one's the same as this one.
Oh, we're all done.
Nobody
No
likes
more.
Mr. Goodbar.
Actually, this is a low-fat kind of candy bar. This would be good for you.
Grandma,
I hate
Grandma
Mr.
used to
Goodbar.
like them. No, we can't open up another.